Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope so that my all friends members will be fine. So guys, you all know that my all previous videos are related to hairstyling, hair cutting and hair coloring ideas. Different ideas are used in my all the previous videos. I hope that you will love my all the previous collection. So guys, don't skip the video. In this video, I'm presenting amazing and fabulous women curly hairstyles. These are looking so amazing and so stunning. Hope so that you will love these ideas. You can make your own hairstyle with using these ideas. So guys, here are amazing and unique ideas of curly hairs to explore. The first is a uniqueness, no two curl and exactly alike, making each curly hairs truly distinctive. Now the next is softness. With proper care, curly hair can feel incredibility soft and luxurious. Next is a definition. Well defined curl can create a polished and professional appearance. So friends, now the next is a boldness. Curly hair often exude confidence and a daring sense of style. Now the next one is natural shine. Curl can reflect light beautifully, enhancing their natural glow. The other one is resilience. Curly hair is strong and can hold style for longer periods. Next is a expressiveness. Curls can match your mood from wild and free to sleek and sophisticated. Next one is a volume customization. Curl can be fluffed for dramatic volume or tamed for a sleek look. Next is a health indicator. Healthy curls are a sign of well nourished and cared for hair. So next is a creativity. Curls provide a canvas for experimenting with unique haircuts, colors and accessories. So friends, we hope so that you will love these all the collections. If you love these ideas, you can download this and you can take the screenshot which hairstyle you want. And if you want new and latest updates related to hairstyling and hair cutting ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After subscribing my channel, you can receive unique and adorable updates related to hairstyling and hair cutting ideas. So guys, be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Take care friends. God bless you. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.